Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to do the Ask Me Anything on Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your Snapchat and tap on this emoji icon and tap on this explore, and once you're here, tap on search box and type Ask Me Anything. Tap on search, and after that here you will get this Ask Me Anything. So all you have to do is just tap on this effect, and now you can capture a little snap here. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.